What's up, YouTube? This is the Midtown Carnegie branch of our library, our public library system. Let's go take a look. How many ducks can you count in the display?
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, they got like a little computer room here. It's pretty cool. So if you need to do some... How are you?
Is there any of these I can combine? I don't know if you'll take them off. Is there any of these you can
This is what I was looking for. Okay. Let's go upstairs. No certificate in the elevator. They're supposed to be inspected. Right. Hi, how are you? I'm doing good. This is a beautiful building. Yeah. Alright. How cool is that? Yeah. When I'm a little older, so my prized possession was my library card. We didn't have internet. We had Encyclopedia Britannica. Y'all have a constitution in here?
Not upstairs. There's probably going to be one down in the reference section of the library. Yeah.
Groovy. It's my first time in here. I'm just exploring.
Yeah. This is the teen area, so you're welcome to browse the gallery and adult collection.
Oh, right on. Yeah, I got a YouTube channel, so yeah, you guys are gonna shine. Y'all are awesome.
We're thrilled to be back.
Right on.
It's such a beautiful area.
I love Missouri. I'm from Jacksonville, Arkansas, so I got up here in the '90s, and I'll never go back. I'll never leave. Everybody waves here. Down there, it's not a very nice wave. It usually involves one finger, and so everybody's not friendly like they are up here. So I love it. You ladies are awesome.
Thank you.
I'm JC.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Y'all have a good day.
You too.
All right, we'll go back downstairs. That was awesome. Oh, you got your own little private cubicle there if you need to. How cool is that? Oops, pardon me. All right, here we go. And away we go. That was the security guard. He didn't say anything to me other than excuse me, so far so good. We'll see how it goes. Thank y'all for being here. I appreciate it. Y'all, the viewers are important to me. Y'all are the ones that make my channel. All right. I like the old clock. How cool is that? All right. I'll make a little turn through here. They got a little kids area. We're not gonna go in there. There's your periodicals. $36.9 million budget. Oops, pardon me. Oh, okay, they got DVDs and stuff in here too. How cool is that? Okay. I think they had a pride rally here too. So. No, ma'am. This is my first time in the building. I was just looking around. It's a beautiful building.
Well, thank you.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Everybody's friendly in here.
Yeah, take a look around, and if you need any help with anything, we've got a maker space downstairs. We've got this computer training center downstairs.
Groovy.
So, and then we've got a meeting room upstairs, which we have our programs in.
Yeah.
There's a laptop bar up there.
He loves that.
Yeah, go ahead and look around.
Awesome. I think I'm about done.
Okay.
But hey, I appreciate y'all.
Yeah, you bet.
Have a good day. All right, y'all. I guess that's a pretty good sign. There's stuff downstairs too. So, I'm gonna call it a pass. We'll call it a pass. But the building is built in 1903, I think. So, let's call it good. Let's see if we can go find a car watch. Anyway, thanks for being along. I'm JC News Now. And with that, peace. What's up, YouTube? I'm at the back lot of the police station. Just trying to get a little B-roll footage here. See what I can see. Getting a few looks, but I haven't had any contact yet. Okay, they can look all they want and they can contact all they want. Good shit. guess they decided they didn't want to come out. Maybe. Female officer. Searching for a place to park. Look at that transmission tower. Good Lord. Sucker's tall. Trying to film through a chain link fence. Anyway, I guess we're all good. No front tags. Public Works. Well, looks like they're going to respect and honor my First Amendment right to stand out here and record. It's a good thing. Hoping we could get a cop car coming in and out. I'm not gonna stand around here forever though. All right. Peace.